What is going on, guys? RabbitUp7 here. I'm just gonna post this and I'm not gonna talk about the huge layoff that we took. It really just comes down to laziness, but I have tons of interesting stuff to review for you guys, and I would like to, add it to the rest of my collection without, thinking I need to make a video on that, I'm gonna make some videos on this stuff. We have a lot of cool additions to our collection that are worth talking about, and I think it's about time that I get the camera out and I show you guys. So let's get right into it. So first of all, this is a special feature car. This is L Viento. I've reviewed this on the channel before. I think the first time I ever edited one of my thumbnails was the last time I ever did an L Viento. This is a solid track car. It does have some issues and loops with this lip up here, but overall it's a relatively, the center of gravity is pretty low due to the metal being in the middle of the car. The body's kind of metal and kind of, the base is plastic and the top's plastic, but the whole middle is metal. So, but it's an interesting futuristic wedge-like car with sort of the circuit board decals going up the whole canopy. And this feature is you can take this off. Let me think. How do you do this again? Oh yeah, you push down on the thing right here. And I think it comes off. I know it can come off if you just push it off like that, but I was wondering what the special feature is. Yeah, you can only do that once you pop this down. So here's what it looks like without the plastic bit. I think it actually looks a little bit cooler. You got the huge engine presumably back there, and it's got seats 3 people, similar to the McLaren F1. Which is interesting. Lock it back into place. So L Viento, and I've said it time and time again on this channel, but I love these razor blade wheels. They're one of the coolest new wheel designs Hot Wheels has done. Next up, this Rigor motor, part of the Hot Wheels art cars. It's got sort of Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos themed graphics on the front, or on the main chassis piece. Very cool. The printing of Hot Wheels has come a long way. This is some super intricate details. These are mass produced. That's beautiful. And it's matte black with the white look. It looks awesome. And the wheels are skulls. I've seen these on like 1 or 2 other vehicles, but they're very fitting for Rigor motor, which has got that Munster's Roach Coach look. But metal body, plastic base, which for Rigor motor makes it a little bit more wheelie happy. But this thing looks awesome when it's moving. It's pretty cool. The wheels look funny. But sorry. I've always loved this car since its debut. All the castings of Rigor motor are really cool just because the design itself is so awesome. So, sorry for the interruption. My door opened itself. Just opened itself. There was nobody nearby. It was completely latched shut, and I heard it open itself, which is pretty creepy. I'm home alone right now. Anyways, you got on the front, you got the bat here. This used to be metal, but it still looks, it is metal right now, but it used to be like a different looking piece. And this is one of my 2 favorites of the lot. The 32 Ford, the iconic casting, but for the Uno theme. And these are plastic wheels, but they look so much like Real Riders tires to me. Something about this wheel design looks so much more realistic and professional than a lot of the other 5-spoke designs Hot Wheels has done in the past, but these look like an old Real Riders wheel. I love this wheel. It's so fitting for the 32 Ford. The original hot rod. Very cool. You got the Uno design on the side. I love the rear trunk says Wild on it. That's really cool. And I'm glad they went with red for the main color. Awesome car. This is part of the 0l Games. So I think there's some other ones of these. And when I bought this, honestly, probably half a year ago now, I didn't think any of the other ones were interesting enough to pick up, or maybe I didn't see them. But I like this one a lot. 32 Ford. And then last but not least, I'm going to be leaving this one in the box from the Flying Customs. I think this is a Target exclusive. I have the rest of these, and it's the Volkswagen Caddy. I love this. Very, very cool. I'm trying to think of what era this paint scheme is. I want to say mid 70s or late 70s. Very cool. The Volkswagen Caddy was a late 70s, early 80s vehicle, I believe. But it's got the old flying colors wheels and the different shades of green, and the yellow trunk and tailgate, and not tailgate, yellow trunk and interior really do it for me too. That's awesome. And you got the sunroof that's open, but there's also a roll cage in the car. Very cool. It says Volkswagen on the back. Plastic base, metal body. And you have the detail of the VW logo on the hood. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. There you go. I love the iPhone's got the two cameras. I can do this, which is like really zoomed out, and then I can zoom in more for detail. That's gonna be good for videos in the future, but this is more squared card design to make it the way how it was in the 80s for Hot Wheels, and the red and white logo, which was big in the 80s as well. So very cool, and I love the card art. Isn't that awesome? Very, very, very cool. You get the little intake on the front. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I need to record more videos. I got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys, and I just need to, you know, get it off my closet floor. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. We hit 1.08K, so I just need to capitalize off this growth. Thank you all very, very, very much.